Easy homemade tomato and chickpea curry with rice and spinach recipe. Hey everyone, welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. Today, we've got a delicious and easy to make recipe for you, homemade tomato and chickpea curry with rice and spinach. It's not only budget friendly but also packed with flavors. Let's dive into the ingredients. Ingredients for the curry: 1 cup chickpeas, canned or soaked and cooked. 1 onion, finely chopped. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 can, 14 ounces, diced tomatoes. 1 cup spinach, chopped. 1 teaspoon ginger, grated. 1 tablespoon curry powder. 1 teaspoon cumin. 1 teaspoon coriander. Half teaspoon turmeric. Salt and pepper to taste. 2 tablespoons cooking oil. For the rice: 1 cup basmati rice. 2 cups water. Salt to taste. Preparation. Step 1, cooking rice. First, let's start with the rice. Rinse 1 cup of basmati rice under cold water until the water runs clear. In a pot, combine the rinsed rice, 2 cups of water, and a pinch of salt. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat, cover, and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes or until the rice is fluffy. Step 2, making the curry. While the rice is cooking, let's move on to the curry. In a pan, heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and sauté until it's golden brown. Now, add the minced garlic and grated ginger. Stir for about a minute until the aromas are released. Next, add the curry powder, cumin, coriander, turmeric, salt, and pepper. Mix well to coat the onions in these flavorful spices. Pour in the diced tomatoes, and let it simmer for 5 to 7 minutes until the tomatoes break down and the mixture thickens. Time to add the chickpeas. If you're using canned chickpeas, make sure to drain and rinse them before adding to the curry. Now, fold in the chopped spinach. Let it wilt into the curry for an extra boost of nutrition. Allow the curry to simmer for another 10 minutes, ensuring all the flavors meld together beautifully. Step 3, serving. Our tomato and chickpea curry is ready to be served. Fluff up the rice with a fork and plate it alongside the delicious curry. Garnish with some fresh cilantro or a dollop of yogurt if you like. And there you have it, a hearty, homemade tomato and chickpea curry with rice and spinach. Here are some of the benefits of eating tomato and chickpea curry with rice and spinach. Rich in fiber, chickpeas and spinach are excellent sources of dietary fiber, promoting digestive health and aiding in weight management. Packed with protein, chickpeas are a great plant-based protein source, contributing to muscle maintenance and repair. Combined with rice, it forms a complete protein source. Abundant vitamins and minerals, spinach is loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as iron and calcium. These nutrients play vital roles in immune function, bone health, and blood clotting. Low in saturated fat, this dish is low in unhealthy saturated fats, making it heart-friendly and suitable for those aiming to maintain or improve cardiovascular health. Antioxidant-rich ingredients: tomatoes and spinach are rich in antioxidants, helping to combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. Supports blood sugar control. The fiber content in chickpeas aids in regulating blood sugar levels, making this dish a good option for individuals managing diabetes. Boosts energy levels. The combination of complex carbohydrates from rice and the iron content from spinach helps provide a sustained release of energy, combating fatigue. Promotes bone health. Spinach contributes to bone health with its high vitamin K and calcium content, supporting bone density and strength. Vegetarian and gluten-free option. This curry is a nutritious choice for vegetarians and those on a gluten-free diet, offering a well-balanced meal without compromising on taste. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel for more delicious recipes, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. See you in the next video. Thank you very much tomato and chickpea curry with rice lovers.